Hi everybody, I am Artika of grade 6 and my partner Pujana Priya of grade 7. We are here from Sri Shankara Vidyalaya Karur to explain you our project title Shell Paraffin Wax and Purse with Starch Coating. We have done a project for Atal Marathon under the problem statement system, that is to innovate and develop an effective and integrated healthcare system. Fruits and vegetables are essential in human diet due to the health and nutritional benefits associated with their intake. Fruits and vegetables lose weight during post-harvest handling and storage by transpiration, resulting in textural changes, softening of fruit during storage and surface shrinkage that affects their shelf life. Post-harvest treatments with synthetic waxes and chemical fungicides have been used for many years to control post-harvest decay and extend fruit shelf life. However, the continuous application of these treatments has led to health and environmental issues associated with chemical residues. The increasing restrictions of the use of agrochemical imposed by many countries and growing consumer demand for high quality, minimally processed fresh food products have intensified the search for new preservation methods and technologies. The use of edible coatings has emerged as an effective and environmentally friendly alternative to extend their shelf life and protect them from harmful environmental effects. Reasons for wax coating is to extend the shelf life, delay browning of fruits, attract consumers, create semi-permeable barriers to gases, delay ripening process, etc. These are all the paraffin waxes. In addition, paraffin wax coated fruits has been potential to cause respiratory issues, digestive problem, cancer, etc. So let's see the edible starch coating procedure. Non-toxics and edible coatings can be given by extracting the starch present by the potatoes by the following methods. Good quality potatoes are collected, peel and grated. Followed by it is filtrated and filtrate is transferred to a bowl. Add some water to this bowl and leave undisturbed to an hour. By this time, all the starch contents will settle at the bottom. Now again pour some drinking water to this bowl, mix it well and filter it again to remove the impurities in it. Leave the filtrate about 15 minutes as such so that all the starch contents will settle at the bottom. Now decant the water carefully and dry it. Dry the starch that settled at the bottom of the bowl and store it in an airtight container. This is the starch powder I extracted from the potatoes. This can be coated on fruits with the help of coconut oil. We can get all the intended results as such as paraffin wax. Advantages: potato starch coating has good anti-filamentary and antioxidant properties. Increase the protection against some chronic digestive diseases, environmentally friendly, low cost, etc. Thank you.
Welcome. Hi everybody, I am Pujana Priya of grade 7 studying in Sri Shankara Vidyalaya. Now I am going to explain about my app creation by using Plasmo module. My app is about creating awareness on avoiding paraffin wax usage on fruits. Let's get started. Let's explore, learn about starch. Let's enter our name. Let's click on thumbs up. Hi, welcome. Have you heard the proverb, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Yes. Okay, think that you are in a supermarket and you are planning to buy 1 kg of apples. Out of 2, which is your choice of apple? Option 1. Wow, you have selected the fruit that is not wax coated. Come on, let's explore something about wax coating and the reason behind it. When the option 2 is clicked, Oops, you have selected the fruit that is wax coated. Come on, let's explore something about wax coating and the reason behind it. Let's click on the option Let's explore. Let's select click here. The apple is crunched. Alas, it's too waxy. For fruits, wax coating is done to extend the shelf life, delay ripening process, delay browning of fruits and attract consumers. Let's click on the option thumbs up. Let's select click here. We can get all the intended results through potato starch coating. It has good anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It increases the protection against some chronic digestive diseases. Environmental friendly and low cost. Let's go and play a game. Let's select the option Let's play a game. Try to pin down apple and grab your scores. Wow, my scores are increasing. Oops, my lights got decreased. Yeah, I scored the best. So I got 4 points. So let's click on the option next. Awesome. Always select the fruits that are not wax coated, especially like petroleum based paraffin wax that creates respiratory issue, cancer and digestive problems. Let's always use the potato starch, that is our natural preservative, and get rid of paraffin wax. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed my game and liked my app creation.